Hazrat Imam bin Hussain radiyallahu anhu states that the tribe Banu Thaqif was an ally of Banu Uqail. Thaqif held two of the companions of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam as captive, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam captured a man from Banu Uqail as well as capturing Adaba, she-camel. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to that man while he was bound. He said, "O Muhammad," he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, "What's the matter?" He said, "Why has the she-camel which overdistanced the she-camels of pilgrims been captured, Adaba, and why have you captured me?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam, considering it a serious matter, said, "I have captured you in exchange of your ally, Thaqif." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam went away. He called out, "O Muhammad, O Muhammad," and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was extremely compassionate and humane. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam came back to him and said, "What's the matter?" He said, "I am a Muslim." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "If you had uttered it when the matter was under your jurisdiction before being captured, you would have completely been successful." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then proceeded. He again called him and submitted, "O Muhammad, O Muhammad." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "What is the matter?" He submitted, "I am hungry, give me something to eat. I am thirsty, give me something to drink." Granting him something, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Take it and fulfill your need." He was then released in exchange for two men. The reporter says a woman of the helpers was arrested as well as Adaba was captured. That woman was fastened while the people of Saqif were letting their animals rest in front of their houses. One night that woman made her escape and made towards the camels. The camel she reached started rumbling and she left it. That woman then reached near Adaba, but it did not utter any voice. The reporter says that that woman made a vow to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu that if Allah Jalla Jalaluhu saved her along with it, she would sacrifice it. When she reached Madina Munawwara and the companions radiyallahu anhum saw her, they said to her, "It is Adaba, the she-camel of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." That woman said, "I vowed that if Allah Jalla Jalaluhu saved me with it, I would sacrifice it." The companions radiyallahu anhum came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and notified him of it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Glory be to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. What an ill reward she has given to Adba." She vowed to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu that if Allah Jalla Jalaluhu secured her with it, she would slaughter it. A vow of a sinful act or a matter which is not under a person's capacity will not be fulfilled. Ibn Hajar's narration says, a vow of disobedience to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will not be fulfilled. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 4221.